We start with monthly chart. Just I want to give a quick update. From chart, what we can see is that the prices keep dropping. We are within the for the long time in the downtrend, and whenever we see this kind of the drops, that means if we want to look for the reversal, we can expect the price to consolidate here within the for the quite long time before the price tag all-time high. Okay. By the way, what we are looking for, we're looking for buy. We want to see whether we can get any opportunity for buy as a reversal or not. And as I mentioned, we are within the downtrend for quite a long time. And even if we move to weekly chart, we are looking at this correction. And even for the Bitcoin, we have similar movement. I mean, if we refer to this correction, and technically, if the price could break the lowest price of this correction following by divergence, it can give us better opportunity for buy and as a reversal, but we don't need to wait for that. All right. The only thing is, even if you, the best option is if the price could break the lowest price of this correction. If not, any reversal, we do the breakout of the lowest price of this correction, then we need to be quite careful. By the way, the price is very low in compared to the all-time high, and but it doesn't mean simply we cannot take the trade or we can buy it. We have to wait for the reversal. We have to wait for the trade setup. Because if the price could break the lowest price of this correction, we can expect the price drop to this range. All right, that means somewhere before 2021. Okay. By the way, even based on weekly chart, the only thing is we can expect to get the divergence. And if I move to daily chart, similar explanation. All right. Even based on daily chart, we don't have any trade setup. With the breakout of this part, we can look for the divergence as well. That's mean if we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it, but we have to see the breakout of this correction. Right. Even based on daily chart, if we zoom in, we don't have any trade setup. How about if I move to forward chart? All right. Even based on forward chart, if anyone wants to look for buy, they consider this is the correction relative to what we have here for the one move up. They can look for 0.066 as a short-term targets. All right. But how they want to trade, how they want to look for trade, it depends on the strategy they use. Mostly they have to look for the trade either based on 1 hour or 15-minute chart. If they want to look for the trade setup, and if I move to 1 hour chart, I don't see any trade setup. Okay. How about if we consider this one as a flag? The only option is to put our entry above here, which is not a really good idea. By the way, we don't have really good trade setup mostly for the, for this coin. And even if we move to weekly chart, all right, even if we move to the weekly chart, we have to see the breakout of this correction. At least if anyone wants to look for the short-term trade, we have to see the breakout of this one for the one more drop following by divergence before we take the next trade. Because the next drop can give us a confirmation the price can break the lowest price of this correction or not. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.